Hey everybody. I just wanted to make a quick video and talk about some of the challenges that my clients are facing nowadays, which is home affordability. We all know that the market has just gone crazy since lockdown, and a lot of people are looking for something bigger because they now are not only living in their home, they're working out of their home, they're spending most of their free time at home. And I could tell you that was the case for me. When the lockdown happened, our boss sent us home. I brought my laptop and my monitors home and I set it up in my dining room about 10 feet away from my wife, which was fine for a couple of days, but it got to the point to where I was driving her nuts. She's just like, my God, can you please go somewhere else? So I took one of our spare bedrooms, I turned it into a quasi office, and this only left us with one extra guest room, and we do have family that comes visit us every now and then. So we had made the decision about a year into it that we needed to get a bigger place. So we started looking around Orange County. We really loved where we were at, but the housing prices were going up so quickly that we would put an offer on a place and it would quickly get bid up $100,000, $200,000 as soon as we put the offer in. So we started looking outside of Orange County. I used to own a home in Corona and I really enjoyed it here. And we found this place called The Retreat in Corona. So I just want to kind of show you guys what this place looks like and show you why we took some of the ideas that we had and translated it into this new home that we've got. So one of the most important things for me was having an office. And so you notice as soon as we walked in the door here, right behind me here is my office. And it was open when we bought it here, so we had it closed off, had a door put in, and we had sound batting put in to give even a little bit more privacy. There's a restroom on the opposite side of this camera right now, but I just wanted to kind of show you my office and show you what I did to try and make this as comfortable as possible, not just for myself, but also for my clients. So you'll notice that I've got a seating area here for my clients or referral partners when they come in. I've got a multimedia display there, so I can turn the TV over towards those chairs, and I can show my clients the market and break down what their monthly payment would look like. A lot of what we do is education, so I wanted to make sure that I had a place to be able to educate my clients if they come to visit me. If you've been watching my videos, you know that this is where the magic happens, right? So yeah, we've got some sound panels here also because this room echoes a little bit. It is kind of large. So the sound panels help to suppress some of the echo. And I don't want to drag this out any longer than it has to, but my wife now is literally on the opposite side of the house, so I don't drive her nuts. And we've got a gym upstairs. That was the other thing that was important to me. I stopped working out when the lockdown happened. I used to go at least 2 or 3 times a week, and after having a heart attack 4 years ago, making sure that I stayed busy was important. So I just wanted to show you this. I'm really excited about living here. The area is really pretty, especially right now after the rains. Everything's turning green. I'm looking forward to making new friends out here. I'm looking forward to meeting new agents, new referral partners. And if you're curious, if you're not finding what you need in your local area, I wanted to just film this to try and allow you to expand your thinking and to start, maybe thinking about whether it's Corona or Riverside or wherever you might be. You might want to think about moving a little farther out of the city to get what you want. I hope that this video helped you. Please subscribe, like, and ring that bell if you'd like to see more videos like this. And I hope everybody is happy, healthy, and safe. Take care.